Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to repair an intelligent pump controller or pump manager. So this is how it looks. Have a contactor, a double pole and a circuit board. So this is the cover. The cover covers this area like this. Since I was looking for the fault first, so I had to remove it since it takes time to get the fault. So I found out this circuit board has a problem. I was using this contactor, so we found these two transistors were faulty, so I brought two and we changed them. We soldered them. After changing them, we connected it back to the contactors, and now we are going to try to see if it goes on. This is the main circuit breaker, so we put it on. If this screen goes on, we will know it's okay now. So this contactor will pull in when we switch it on. After it finishes counting, it starts from 10, 9 like that to 0. When it reaches 0, the contactor will pull in like that due to magnetic field. So this pump is working. So I had removed this wire. I had disconnected those wires for us to test, and now it's very much okay. Like and subscribe for you to watch our other videos. Thank you.